Hi my dear kids, first of all I wanted to wish you all a very happy food day. So you have to prepare healthy foods and you have to eat healthy foods and lead a healthy life. Yes, so as a part of this food day, so today I am going to share you some important information about food. Yes, so many of the people many of the students will be asking me, ma'am, what is the foods that help our brain, help our mind to improve our memory, right? Yes, so most of the students will be asking me, right? So today I am going to give you some food tips that improves your memory concentration. Yes. Now, so the first food that I am going to tell you is about whole grains. So whole grains are nothing but your ragi, bajra. So you have to eat more amount of ragi, bajra. Bajra is nothing but kambu. So once you eat more amount of whole grains, the whole grains are rich in vitamin E. So thereby the vitamin E improves your brain circulation. That is, it supplies more amount of blood to our brain, right? And the next food that I am going to tell you is about is greens, of course. So you must have been watching the cartoon shows, right, Popeye. So he always used to eat spinach and he gets more amount of strength, right. So greens is rich in antioxidants, so you have to eat more amount of greens like spinach, mint, coriander leaves, curry leaves. So like that you have many leaves, amaranth leaves, so you have to eat more amount of green leafy vegetables to improve your memory concentration, right. The next food that I am going to tell you is about comes under fruits, right. So most of the berries, so what are the food that comes under berries? Your gooseberry, that is your amla, strawberry, your blueberry, that is your jamun. So all these berries, berry fruits are rich in antioxidants and also it helps in improving your memory concentration, right. And even your avocados, so avocado is a butter fruit, even that is also good for your memory concentration, right. Yes. So now I am going to tell you the next food that is very favorite to all of us. Yes, of course, it is dark chocolate. So dark chocolate, it is not just a normal chocolate, dark chocolate, it will be very dark, it will be very dark brown, and when you taste it, it will be very bitter also. Kasakam, okay. So it is not just a normal chocolate, it is a dark chocolate. So the dark chocolate contains high amount of flavonoids. What are these flavonoids? Flavonoids are the antioxidants that improves your memory concentration. So it is good to eat dark chocolate but not the normal chocolate, right. Yes, of course we all love chocolates, and particularly when you are sharing your chocolates to others, try to buy dark chocolate and you can share to others, right. So next food that I am going to tell you is about the fish. Yes, of course, fish contains high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. So that improves our brain cells. So it is good for our brain cells and thereby it improves the memory concentration. And eggs. So when you break eggs, you will feel some hormonal changes inside your body, right. So eggs is also very important for your brain function, and also the egg contains the vitamin A and also it is good for our memory concentration, right. Yes. The next thing that I am going to tell you is about turmeric. So turmeric is nothing but manjathul, right. So the turmeric is also very good to improve your memory concentration. So you have to include turmeric in your food. So whenever you prepare the food, you have to include the turmeric, right. Yes. The next thing that I am going to tell you is about nuts and oil seeds. What is this nuts? What is these oil seeds? Yes, nuts, the nuts that come under nuts are almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, coconut. So these nuts, they contain high amount of vitamin E, thereby it improves our memory concentration. So you have to eat all these foods to increase your memory concentration. And also what are the oil foods? Oil foods like sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, the seeds which is present inside the pumpkin, right. So these seeds, these oil seeds contain high amount of flavonoids that helps in your increasing your memory concentration, right. So the last thing that I am going to tell you is about coffee. The coffee contains caffeine. This caffeine blocks the substance that is produced in our body that helps our body for sleep. So it inhibits the substance that help us to sleep, right. So, caffeine help us to be alert and be active and focus on whatever we read, right. So, you learned what are the foods that help in memory concentration. So, try to include these foods in your daily life. That helps your brain, that helps your memory power to increase, and thereby you can get high marks in your exams. So, hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and lead a healthy life.